Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Babylon Kitcast 2081 again. This afternoon, we have two of our SE appearing students who are going to share with us their experience throughout the year and what they have been planning for the remaining time, and also what grades they're expecting in the near future, as they will be appearing for SE. Welcome, both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So, why don't we start with the introduction?
Yeah, my name is Safal Batra from grade 10 A1. I've been studying at Babylon since 4th grade, so it has been 6 years since I've been studying in Babylon.
Okay, you said it's been 6 years, right?
Indeed.
How has Babylon treated you for the 6 years?
It has been really wonderful for me for these 6 years. The teachers are understanding to the students, so it has been really easy for me.
Okay, it's been nice. Like, can you think of any memories that you would like to treasure for rest of your life?
Yeah, the memories I would like to treasure would definitely be the friends I've made along the way. We have made lots of good memories. Yeah, one of the friends is sitting right beside me.
Okay, so why don't we go on with the introduction?
Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Kapar and I am studying in grade 10 A2. I am studying here for 8 years.
Okay, it's been a long time that you've been a student for Babylon National School, right?
Yes, sir.
So, would you like to share with us one of the beautiful memories that you have had in
Yes,
Babylon?
obviously making friends in school is best memory and enjoying with them, reading and yes.
So all those times you've spent with your friends in the school has been your best memory.
Yes.
What about regrets that you might have bundled up in Babylon? Like, is there anything as such?
Regrets I've bundled up. Yeah, my regret would be to actually pay attention more to the teacher rather than lazing around.
Okay, so the biggest regret that you have had is you lazed around and you had better paid attention to your teachers. That would have been much beneficial. That's what you think.
Indeed.
What about you?
Yes, sir. Sometimes I also
Just lazy sometimes,
Yes.
and it's the same.
yes, sir.
Okay, so your regret is that you have not focused more into the class, you have not paid attention, and had you done that, I think things would have been much better now,
Yes.
or different now. Let's not call it better. I know it's already better for you, right? May we start with your routine? What are your routines?
So basically, I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, and 5 a.m. to 5:20 I do everything that
You freshen up.
Yes, fresh up,
Okay.
and then after I revise the lessons in morning that have previous done in yesterday class,
Okay.
and then I ready for my schools that I need to come here by 8:45,
Mhm.
and then coming schools and again
You go back home.
no I come school
Okay.
and
The regular school duties are there.
yeah,
Like you do the studying whole day,
yes,
and then you go back home, right?
yes.
What do you do after you get back home?
I go back home and I do some rest 10 to 20 minutes and again start reading my revising the lessons that have read in class,
Mhm.
and I take half an hour breaks in the middle of reading
Okay. What time do you go to bed?
at 10.
Okay,
10.
you go to bed at around 10.
Yes.
Before that, will you, are you usually done with all the studying and all?
No, some done but some have left, so I complete at morning.
Okay, so you do the rest, leftovers in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about you? Would you like to tell me about your school routine? What do you do throughout the day in the school?
School routine. Throughout the day, I firstly wake up at 6 o'clock around.
No, just let's just center into your school activity.
School activity.
I'm more curious about it
Alright.
because, like, all your courses are done,
Indeed.
right? And I'm just curious what your teachers do throughout the day.
So since the course is finished, of course we'll be doing moral sets from various different kinds of book. Yeah, first period it's C-Math. C-Math sir, he gets question from different various places, difficult, easy, mixes them up and gives us sets. It has been up to 30 till now, around 30. We have done 30 sets, and then in The most interesting periods after the course has finished has been science,
Okay.
because he brings out, he just pulls up the question paper on the ICT board, and those are very interesting questions. Those are very,
Okay, so
the
they're
answers
interesting.
are really.
How do you find these things? Like, have they been helpful to you for your SE preparation?
Yes, they have been very helpful.
Okay, have these questions and all the activities that you have done throughout the day in the school built up confidence in you?
Oh, it definitely builds up confidence.
Okay.
That it definitely builds up confidence, because it's the same question. It's almost the same. We'll get around from same topic.
Okay, so
So
you're really looking forward to what this practice brings forth to you in SE, right?
Yes, indeed.
How has your grade been so far?
Till now, in the beginning of the SE, it was a bit rough, but now it has smoothened out. But still, I can improve much more.
Okay, there's
I will.
still room for improvement,
Indeed.
right? How do you compare your grades between first term and your pre-board exam?
Day and night.
Okay, it's day and night. That's good. What about you? How do you compare your first term and pre-SE or pre-qualifying exam?
First term was of grade 10 was very tough,
Mm.
so I did not that much.
Okay, you were
Sure.
not really good into it.
Yes, so I practice, I read, and I work hard for it so I can achieve more. So pre-board has make a very good.
Okay, it's been a big of a difference
Yes.
already. Okay, means eventually it has improved so much that you're really looking forward to get an excellent grade in SE.
Yes.
What is your targeted grade for SE?
My target is 3.6 or 3.7 around.
Okay, that is your targeted grade. How exactly do you think you'll be able to achieve it? Like, I'd like you to talk about your weak subjects and strong subjects. I'm good in math and I'm looking forward to get this many grades. Like, could you please put it down together like that?
I feel easy subject I feel is English,
Mhm.
and it science and math I think it is difficult for me.
So, how much are you
Mm.
looking forward to get in English?
I watch English movies and English songs, listen to the songs. and
So, you're really looking forward to
Yeah.
get good grades in English,
yes.
right? Could you please tell me what grade are you looking for in math? Like, what is the expected grade for math and science?
Around A or B plus or A.
Okay, between
Yes.
B plus or A, that's
Yeah.
what you're looking for.
I'm working my hard for achieving it.
Yes, you have to work hard, right? Like,
Yes,
this is the Iron Gate you'll be. Like, this is like the first widely recognized certificate that you'll be getting for your education. So,
Yes.
you have to work hard. I am really hopeful that you'll get what you're looking forward to. What about you? What is your targeted grade, and how do you average that targeted grade up?
My targeted grade is 3.8 GPA. It's been quite successful, my trial to get to it. So, yeah.
What are your weak and strong subjects?
Oh, my weak subjects are definitely social and Nepali, because my base has been very weak on those subjects since I was from a lower grade. That's why I was talking about regretting lazing around in lower classes.
Okay.
And
What grade are you looking forward to get in Nepali and social studies?
Nepali at least B plus, and social I'll try to get A.
Okay. What subjects are you good at?
I'm good at optional mathematics, science, computer, English. Yeah,
Okay, so what grade are you expecting in those subjects?
those subjects A plus.
A plus at least, right? Yeah, that's good. So, in average, those subjects will add up to give you 3.8. That is what you're
3.8,
looking
yes.
forward to. That's actually a very good target that you have. How would you describe your home environment? Like, how has your home environment been helpful to help you achieve the grade that you're targeting for?
My home environment is quite helpful actually, because my mother actually take care of me. She just pampers me when I'm studying. So when I'm not studying, she just reminds me, go study.
Okay, so
That's why.
that has been really helpful. That she really takes care of your health and your routine while you're studying, as well as while you're busy with something else. He reminds you of your studies and all. That's actually good. How has your home environment been?
Yes, it is quite much better.
Okay,
And
it's
that
better.
My father and mother motivates me to study, that you can achieve more in SE examination, and they help me to take off it from difficult situation.
Okay, so they have been a lot helpful to you
Yes.
with your studies. I'm very happy to hear about your home environment. Would you like to talk about your friend circle? Like, what kind of friends do you have? Are they good in studies, or how are they?
It depends on how the situation is.
Mhm.
In studying time, they study with me,
Mhm.
and in different things.
Okay,
Yeah.
so they act according to the
Yes.
requirement. Okay, that's nice. Do you stay for coaching class?
I used to, but now I have stopped.
Okay, so you have dropped the coaching so that you can have self-study time at home,
Indeed.
right? How exactly do you schedule your self-study time?
I schedule it like I separate it into two parts, the morning time and the evening time.
Mm.
I only focus one subject, but I give complete focus to it, and in the morning and another subject in the evening.
Okay, that is how you've been doing.
Yes.
That is actually very nice. Have the teachers been helpful with your studies at all?
Yeah, absolutely. Teachers are the most important part of studying.
How often do you go to them?
How often, rather than going to them, when they come to the class, I just ask them.
Okay,
in the class.
you when they're in the class, you ask them.
Indeed.
What about you?
Yes.
Do you go to your teachers to ask for the questions that you do not know?
Yes, I obviously go to ask the question that I don't know.
Mm.
So I go, but if there is no teacher that I get that can give solution,
Mm.
so I keep the problem in pending so that teachers will come and I will ask
Okay,
him or her.
you try to go find the teacher. But in case you don't find him or her, you wait for him or her to come
Yes.
back to the class and teach you with it.
Yes.
That's I think that's quite nice. It's very important that you have your self-study hours, and you, rather than just doing what your teachers tell you to, it's always better if you pay attention to what you're weak in. That way teachers can help you better, right?
Yes.
I think that is what it is. Well, I'm very happy to talk to both of you. I think it's been quite nice time talking to you, and I've got to know a lot about your routines and schedules and all. Thank you so much for being with me in the studio this afternoon, and I hope you all the best for your upcoming SE exam.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.